Hello and welcome back to another video of SFDC SAGA. In this video, you are going to learn how you can take full page screenshot using Chrome without using any extension. So this tip is for everyone who is using Chrome as their default browser. To take full page screenshot, let me open the page. Let me load few posts so that I get a very long page. Okay, so you can see now I have got a very long page. Now I want to take a full page screenshot of this. So how to do that? So you can click on this three dots, More Tools, click on Developer Tools. So this opens Developer Tools. So other way is right click and inspect. We get the Developer Tools over here. So another shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+I. So Developer Tools gets enabled. Okay. So here what you have to do is click on three dots. You can click on this run command. Okay, or there is a shortcut where you can use. Once you open Developer Tools, right, you can click on Ctrl+Shift+P. This opens run command where you can type in short. You can see there are 4 options available. If you want to take a specific area screenshot, you can click on this and it opens. Can you see that plus symbol? So you can see it has taken the specific area screenshot now. Let me do the same thing. Ctrl+Shift+P. Inchart. I want to take full size picture. If I click on this, so it has downloaded the entire page. Can you see now? Let me zoom it a bit. You can see it has taken full page screenshot without using any third-party extension. I hope you like this tip. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.